This is Chris from Brooklyn, isang iPhone photographer, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach iPhone photography tips while traveling sa Philippines. Okay, here's a quick tutorial on manual exposure. I'm pretty sure marami sa inyong may alam na you can manually control yung exposure ng camera nyo. And what is exposure? That's the amount of light going inside your lens. So sa case na to, yan, perfect example. In fairness, divine timing. Too bright yan. So kung building yung mukha ko, too bright na yan. Oh, before I forget, you can control the manual exposure. If the camera is facing you, you can control the manual exposure. Pakita ko sa iyo in a bit. Pag back-facing yung camera, meaning nakatutok, kunwari, building ako, andun ako sa likod, you can also control the manual exposure. You can control the exposure manually. Now, why do we need to control the exposure manually? We have to do it because sometimes yung lens nyo nag-auto na. Like for example, itong iPhone lens ko, front-facing. Pag nag-record ka, ganito naka-bright yung likod. And hindi siya tama kasi uneven. Green to, too bright na to. So, yon. And the reason we have to do the exposure is, kung building ako kunwari at too bright to, mamimiss mo na yung outline ng right side ng building. So, ikaw alam mong building yon, pero yung viewer mo na first time lang makakita sa picture mo, baka hindi nila makita ang building yon kasi washed out na to, too bright na yan. Like ito, yung tenga ko, imagine side ng building yan, washed out na yan. Or kunwari face mo yan, tapos nagkataon lang nag-a-adjust yung lens, pero kunwari face mo yan, tapos too bright, try ko ayan may na-miss ka ng part ng face, and kahit i-edit mo yan, mahirapan ka. So how do you do manual exposure? To control the exposure manually, it's simple. One, decide sino yung main subject mo. For example, ako yung main subject, yung face ko. Or kunwari building ako or object ako, glass of water. You just have to click on the main subject. Click mo yung screen, two components. So click on your screen, touch your screen for 3 seconds and steady yon. Para touch it sa part kung saan mo gusto mag-focus yung. So, okay. Kunwari yung face ko. Yan. 1001, 1002, 1003. And then, after nun, may lalabas na AE lock. And then, after that, may makikita kang yellow square. Ibig sabihin, kung nasan yung yellow square, di ba pinatouch ko kung saan yung main subject mo. Ulit, 1001, 1002, 1003. Whatever happens, kahit manginig ka, yung area na yan kung saan may yellow square, magiging focus yan. And pansin mo, merong sun icon beside the yellow square. So, yung yellow square is the focus, yung sun icon is the exposure. And if you increase it, too bright yon. If you decrease it, sakto lang. And I know may tendency tayong lahat na matakot na, oh my God, the image is too dark. If you can just trust me and keep an open mind, maybe shoot ka ng yung the usual over bright, pero mag-shoot ka rin ng technique na to na you click on your screen for 3 seconds para mag-lock yung focus, yung yellow square. And after you do that, it's time for you to adjust the sun icon beside it. Ibaba mo siya ng konti. And why? Why do we need to do that? Kasi pag nag-edit ka, we have this tendency na lahat ilalagay na lang natin sa editing. Pero as much as you can make your original file correct, the lighting correct, the focus correct, the less hassle yun sa editing. And sometimes, may mga instances you cannot really edit mistakes out. So, by making your image, slightly darker, when it's too bright, make it slightly darker, mas makikita mo lahat ng details. A perfect example of that, mag-shoot ka sa beach. As in, itutok mo yung lens mo sa dagat. Pag nakatutok sa dagat, pansin mo yung blue sky mo, magiging overly white. So, nawala na yung pagka-blue ng sky. At hindi lang yon, pati yung clouds mo mawawala. And nag-beach picture ka pa kung hindi nila maintindihan. Di ba part ng beauty ng beach shot, ng sea shot is yung clouds, yung blue sky, and then the white clouds, tapos blue water. Pag overly bright yan, ayun, hindi mo na siya makikita. So, sayang. That's why it's very important for you to learn how to control the exposure manually. And if you enjoyed this tip, kung bago sa'yo yung idea na to or kung alam mo na yung pag-control ng manual exposure, but you know a friend who's into iPhone photography or mobile phone photography in general, feel free, na hindi pa niya alam tong manual exposure technique, feel free to share this video with your friend para matulungan siyang to take better pictures ng subjects niya or ng food business niya or ng business niya. Pili kang kumuha ng pictures with your mobile phone. Subscribe kayo dito so you can check out my other videos. Click nyo na rin yung bell icon beside it para ma-alert kayo each time a new video is up. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again sa next episode or sa next tutorial. Thank you.